Okay, so this is my laundry room area. I haven't cleaned this this baseboard heater, I think ever, since we moved in. I mean, I dust the top of it, but I haven't taken it off and vacuumed it. This part of the house really never gets that warm, unfortunately. It's kind of all outside walls. So let's see, I'm gonna take this off for the first time and I'm gonna vacuum this. We'll see what it looks like. All right, let's see here. See if I can pop these off and pop the whole thing off. Because I learned the hard way that unless you take these off, you can't really get the whole thing clean. So you pop it from the bottom. So I'm gonna pop this side here. This I'm gonna have to take off. Slide it. Let's see. There we go. All right. So here's what this looks like. All right, and keep in mind, our house is spotless. All right. Maybe not. All right, but this is what it looks like. All right, inside this vent. All right, and I guess you're kind of breathing that crap in. So the idea is you take a vacuum, and I take an old toothbrush, and I kind of get all the way down there, and I suck it out. Any old vacuum, I got a pretty powerful one that I use for woodworking. So let's see what we can do here. This camera's on a little teeny tripod, so if it drops, I apologize in advance. Let's see big piece of crap that's still in there. I got it. I don't know where this came from. Do I have to get every speck of dirt? No. But as long as I'm doing this, I might as well do as well as I can, you know? Shouldn't be too much underneath here. Since gravity, you get the stuff on the top. Back in here. Okay, that should do it. It's 1,000 times better than it was. And like I said, you could be anal and you can go for every single piece of stuff. I found that the best way to put these back is you start at an angle. If you want to hang them by starting it thing parallel to the floor. All right, so let's lift this up a little bit. These are a little tricky, and I assume in most houses they're kind of crappy like they are here. So I'm gonna just kind of start up here. You latch it on, and then I'm kind of pulling towards me, and I'm gonna pull it downward. There's one snapped in. Again, this doesn't matter. It's not like I'm playing basketball against this thing. This should really be inside of here, but I really don't care. There we go. Again, this is the back of the house. Nobody's even looking at it. After I shut this off, I'm gonna fix this because it's bothering me. But that's basically it. Basically, the easiest way to hurt your hands is to do this without gloves, because this stuff is pretty sharp. So I snapped it back up. Let's see if I can slide it over a little bit. All right. Now that I've permanently deformed it by bending it, now I'm happy. All right, there's this, there's that. Now it's out on this side. I don't know, I'm getting myself crazy. All right, I'm gonna keep sliding this back and forth like a fool. All right, let's see here. All right, so now it's within both things. It's snapped down. Close it like that. Okay, done. But this is why, all right, this is why nothing is as easy as it looks, all right? It looked like it was just a matter of popping it off, and whoever originally put these on should have taken a tin snips and cut it to just the exact right size. But of course they didn't, so these things get painted to the wall over time. Probably the easiest way when this was new was to lift these both up because the sides come off. But again, I don't want to start cutting. This is, like I said, this is the back of the house. Nobody's even here except for when we do the laundry. And that's it. That's how you clean these things. All right, I'm going around to every single duct in every single one of these in the whole house, taking it off and fixing it. Taking it off and cleaning the dirt out. Most of them much less dirty than this, but a couple of them have some dirt in it. I mean, a couple that I cleaned last year have dirt in them. So that's how you do it.